Okay, welcome back. 2 minutes to go for the pre-open session. My colleague Anuj has hopped across from the next door studios. Anuj, hi, new week. What are you watching?
Morning, Prashant. Morning, Sunny and Nigel. The last week with the big Qs, and after that, I think the market really goes into some kind of a holiday mood. So this week, in fact, there are a lot of events lined up. For starters, exit polls come out today evening. So in the last hour, the market will go in the event, and my sense is the markets normally go into exit polls with long positions. So you might have a good last hour rally today. The RBI monetary policy decision, of course, comes out on Wednesday. This time it's going to be keenly watched out for, considering what's happened globally. And of course, on Thursday, you have the expiry plus the actual outcome of the Gujarat results polls. So it's going to be a big week in that sense. The overall structure is buy on dips, not just in India, but globally as well. You saw in US how on such a hot jobs report, there was no other way to describe it. The market actually used that as an opportunity to buy and actually ended at the highest point of the day. So in that sense, that's positive. The only risk factor that I see is this big opening up in China leading to a big surge in commodity prices. So maybe IT outperforms once again. Banks underperform once again. That could be the theme. On the Nifty, the first resistance going by the options data, is major call writing from 18,700 to 800 is at 18,815 and at then 18,900, which is also the prevailing all-time high, 18,887. And of course, the first support level is 18,600 and 18,550. But as I said, maybe Nifty outperforms once again compared to the Bank Nifty. Even Reliance and a couple of other stocks may support. And the broader market, that outperformance which started last week was the first week of big outperformance of broader market. My sense is that would continue for this week and for this entire month of December as well.
All right, Anuj, and we had a flurry of results in the FIFA football. Who are you going with?
France. I mean, it's I think it will require superhuman effort to stop France. I think it looks like they're just continuing from 4 years back.
Yeah.
4 years back also, France was actually the top contender. And this year as well, despite no Pogba, even then, I think they're just too strong. I think Mbappe on his own was... Actually, Poland did quite well defensively.
They did quite well in the first half.
So I'm just assuming who is going to stop Mbappe, and I feel for England defenders on this weekend.
Okay, all right. Let's see how that goes. Thanks so much for that, Anuj. Well, let's get in Manoj Muralidharan. Hi, Manoj. Morning. Thanks so much for joining in. Tell us, what's your derivative strategies that you have for us?
Good morning, Nigel. Nigel, when we started this December series, the FAS were an optimistic 77%, at least on the long side. Now, the Friday session, we have seen some profit booking, and they have trimmed almost 10% of that. So we are almost at 67%. And needless to say, the Nifty and the Bank Nifty has shared almost 6 to 7% open interest. So we believe that with such a low VIX, the volatility index almost at 13.5%. We are seeing good amount of straddles being sold. A straddle is when you sell a call and put option of the same strike. So we're seeing that happening in the 18,700 strike. So that brings down to support of around 18,500. So necessarily Nifty is in a buy on dip, and the dip might qualify as an 18,500 to 550, where I guess it's much prudent to go long on plain vanilla call option, because when your VIX is down, the movement in the Nifty has to be quite precise. For the Bank Nifty, we believe there is call writing at upper levels, but something close to at least a 42,600 to 42,800 might be a better level to go long, and that goes back to the same resistance of 42,800 at the Bank Nifty.
Okay, and individual stocks, Manoj, what are you tracking? Yes,
stock-wise, we still like Tata Motors. I guess the stock has seen a good rollover from November to December. The weighted average is somewhere close to 426 to 428. So that's a level to go long. Keep a stop loss of 417, and the stock has a potential to almost go to 448 to 450. Tata Steel also qualify in this. We have seen actually excellent delivery-based buying that happened just 4 days before. So we believe 109 to 109.50 is a good level to go along with the stop loss 107. The stock has a potential of 114 in this series as well as a target.
Okay, all right, Manoj, thanks so much for stopping by and filling us in with those details. Well, let's focus on a momentumizer of the